In this video, you'll learn how to remove connected app sites from your Google account. If you found this helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. So, to do this, we have to open up our Google account. You can do this by going to google.com and then go to the top right. Now, once you're here, click on Manage Google Account. Then from here, on the top bar, scroll to the right, and then go to Security. Now, we have to scroll down a bit until we see your connection to third-party apps. Then, press See All Connections, and I want to get rid of one for an example. So let's say I want to get rid of Restream. I click on Restream, and then I press on Delete All Connections you have with Restream, press on Confirm, and now the app will not be connected with my Google account. If this video helped you out, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, and comment with any questions that you have. I will see you in the next video.